we're getting the Jeep her first car wash. So we're kind of worried that the water might come in, but we don't think it will, hopefully. But yeah, we're here at Blue Wave and we're getting the first car wash, right?
Yep. Alright guys, here we go. That's how we know if water comes in or not.
Yeah. Oh my. Actually, so far, no.
Well, water didn't come in, guys.
Yeah. So that's a good thing out of this.
She's gonna be looking real fucking nice.
Please don't judge us. We're first-time owners of a Jeep, so there's a lot of things we don't know about it. So this is our first experience of learning something about it. You know, like yes, we can take it on a car wash. So yeah, bye guys. Hi everyone, I'm in Coyote Arms with Jason Steadness. We're gonna shoot a guns today. We haven't done it in a long time, so we're gonna do that today. Student's gonna try out his new gun, and we're here because we are gonna practice a lot more. We haven't been here in months, so I think we haven't been here since October, August, I think. So it's nice to be back. But yeah.
Ready?
I don't remember how to grab it.
Yeah.
No, different than the Glock list. like, it didn't shoot. I like it. I like very big. Yeah, I like it because it's big. But you see how the Glock kicks up?
Okay, y'all. So I've had this gun for over how long?
A year.
A year. It all started because Jason wanted me to learn how to use his, and then eventually I got mine. So yeah, it was scary at first, but now I got it. I'm just weak and I can't really put the bullets in here. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. But yeah, this is Coyote Arms.
Where'd you drop it at?
Right here, I was like, and I touched it and it flew that way. Hello, Smeg.
Touched it. You hit it.
Yeah, I tapped it. That bitch gone. Alright guys, so I carry a Glock 19. I usually just carry 2 magazines with home defense, 15 rounds. Cassie carries a 6-hour P365 XL with 2 12-round magazines. I did get her a Hollow Sun green dot sight. I believe that's helped her out a bit. It keeps the casings from flying back. Alright, let's get to shooting. You want to present your gun, so
What gun did you get?
Hello, guys.
Hold up, stand by.
Just stop recording and then wait.
So, it's my first time buying a gun. You know, I'm proud of myself. Finally got a gun. Oh, I got a 6-hour. That's M17. So yeah, it's going good so far. Hopefully we get better at this.
Alright guys, so Cassie's gonna go first.
The second shot, I can't get it.
I shot your gun. So I used them. I'll hold your gun.
I was about to say.
Were you gonna put it in your pocket?
No, I was gonna put a mag in it. Fuck it. Bro, it was way different, bro.
You got it? What happened? What happened? Your safety's on. I'm surprised it doesn't jam. Your the PMAG. It's a range mag only. $13.
Not bad.
That's why I was like, I'm gonna see how it does. You don't shoot mine? No? Yes, no, maybe so. I went through all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That was damn cool.
Why do you think we go through so many boxes? All right, guys. We'll do a countdown on how long it took us to shoot all of that ammo. In no way whatsoever are we experts, but we do try to teach ourselves. So every day we come out here, we learn from our mistakes. We see how we're shooting, and we improve upon that. From afar, I'm gonna try to shoot this one real quick.
So yeah. Oh wait. So yeah, that's pretty much our day here at the shooting range. Oh, if you guys see this in the back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. This is what we do for fun, pretty much. We come to the shooting range whenever we can. We had taken a break just because we do have a Mustang, so we didn't want to bring the Mustang in. So yeah, so now that we finally have something better, well, I mean not better, but something else, like Jeep, it's been helping us. So I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna see a lot more of us in the shooting range. We had taken a long break from this. We definitely missed doing this. But yeah, that's pretty much what we do. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this. If you guys have any questions for me or Jason about this or anything else, you guys can absolutely comment down below. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.